Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a quick and easy tutorial for all you iPhone users out there. In this video we'll show you how to use the timer in the clock app on iPhone and iPad and to customize it to your liking. So without further ado, let's get started. First grab your iPhone and let's set a timer. It's super simple, I promise. Just follow along with me. Locate the clock app on your home screen and let's open it up. Great, now you have the clock app open, click on the timer tab in the bottom right hand corner. You'll see a bunch of options to customize your timer. We'll start by setting the duration of your timer you want to run for. To set the duration, simply tap on the timer and enter the desired time by swiping up and down. You can choose between hours, minutes and even seconds if you want to be super precise. Next, let's add a sound to play when the timer ends. This can be helpful as an alarm or a reminder for various tasks. Just tap on the sounds option and choose the sound you like from the list. And once you've chosen the sound that you like, just press set in the top right hand corner. However, here's a pro tip before we move on. If you're using your phone to fall asleep while listening to audio or watching videos, you can set the timer to automatically stop the playback. Here's how to do it. Scroll down right to the bottom and tap on stop playing. When you tap on this, it makes sure the media stops playing when the timer reaches 0. So you can choose whichever option you want. We'll stick with a ringtone for now. So let's set that. Fantastic. You've customized your timer just the way you want it. Now it's time to start the countdown. Simply tap on the start button and voila, your timer is now up and running. One of the coolest things about your iPhone timer is that you can continue even if you want to switch to another app or if your phone goes into sleep. So feel free to multitask or take a nap while the timer is doing its thing. And that's it, you've successfully set a timer on your iPhone, customized it and learned about the nifty features. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.